we will learn how to use exponential moving average EMA to find clear buy and sell signals in the markets. So let's get started. You will learn about EMA, why traders use EMA, then understanding buy signal and sell signal using EMA. Then I will give live demo on a financial website using customized EMA setting. Now EMA. EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average. It is a type of moving average that gives more weight to recent prices, which means it reacts faster to price changes than a simple moving average SMA. And EMA for Bitcoin trading helps you see Bitcoin's short-term trend and possible buy or sell moments. As Bitcoin moves fast, EMA is popular since it also reacts quickly. So now, why traders use EMA? Traders love EMA because as market move fast, especially crypto and intraday market, EMA helps with spotting trend changes earlier. It gives faster short-term trading signals. It works well in fast-moving markets like crypto. In Bitcoin trading, we prefer 9 EMA and 21 EMA as these provide a better balance. Now, let us understand the signals. There are two types of signals, buy signal and sell signal. Buy signal is also called bullish crossover. So in this, the yellow line is showing your 9 EMA and the blue line is showing 21 EMA. So when 9 EMA crosses above 21 EMA, it is called bullish crossover, meaning recent prices rising faster. Then come to sell signals, that is called bearish crossover also. So in sell signal, when 9 EMA crosses below 21 EMA, it is called sell signal, meaning recent prices falling faster, momentum may be turning downwards. Now let's understand the bull trend, that is also called uptrend. So when in this the yellow line is showing your 9 EMA, 21 EMA is shown by the blue color. So when the 9 EMA is crossing the 21 EMA and moving above the 21 EMA, it is called bull trend or uptrend. So this is crossover of the uptrend. Now it will start moving, and when again the 9 EMA will cross 21 EMA, this bull trend will end. So this point is called exit point of bull trend, and this point is called entry point of bull trend. So at entry point, you can buy Bitcoin and then you can keep holdings, and at the exit point, you can sell your Bitcoin. Now come to bear trend, that is called downtrend also. So when again 9 EMA is crossing 21 EMA and moving downside of 21 EMA, it is called bear trend or downtrend. And then it will continue, and again when the 9 EMA will cross or touch 21 EMA, it is called the exit point of bear trend. So this point is called entry point of bear trend, and this point is called exit point of bear trend. So at entry point, you can make your short positions, then you can hold, and then at your exit point, you can exit your short position. Now, I will show you a live demo using the charts on investing.com, so you can see how to identify the trend and use EMAs in real time. Open browser, open investing.com, then in search you add BTC on Bitcoin, then select it, and in this page of Bitcoin, go to chart, then now you can see the Bitcoin streaming chart there. Just maximize it, then select the candlestick pattern. This one is. Now as we have to add the indicator, so click on indicator for finding out the indicators, type EXP, then you will see moving average exponential. Now as we have to add two indicators, so on the left side you can see one indicator, that is 9 EMAs being added, but we need to, again I will click on this. Now two indicators are added, but I need 9 and 21, so I will modify it. So first I will keep 9 only, but I will change the style. In place of blue color I will take orange color, and you can see the orange line is there, but the thickness of the line is very low, so I will increase the thickness and click on this. Now you can see clearly the orange line is there, and this orange line is your 9 EMA. Now the second indicator, I will modify. I will take blue color, then again increase the thickness of this line and change the name from 9 to 21. Now you can clearly see the orange colored 9 EMA and blue colored 21 EMA there. Now I will help you out to find out the bull trend and bear trend in this live chart. To find out this, just maximize it. Okay. So as you already know that in bull trend, when the 9 EMA crosses the 21 EMA and moves above of 21 EMA, you can see it is moving above of 21 EMA, then it is the starting or crossover, and from this point the bull trend is starting. It will continue until this point, until it is touching, or till this point when it is again crossing the 9 EMA, is crossing the 21 EMA. This is the exit point for our bull trend. So this, when this crossing over is happening, means a trend is changing. So this is called the starting point or entry point for the bull trend. Here you can buy your bitcoins, then keep holding the bitcoins. That is called exit point of this bull trend. You can sell your bitcoins. So in this way you can find out the bull trend. Now come to bear trend. So as you know that bear trend, when the 9 EMA is crossing the 21 EMA and going downwards, this is called your bear trend. So this is the start point of your bear trend, then it will keep moving, and again when it is crossing the 9 EMA is crossing the 21 EMA, this is the exit point for the bear trend. So at this point, which is the entry point, you can make your short position, then keep holding your positions, and at this point you can exit your short positions. So in this way, the traders combine EMA crossovers with the price action to make decisions. Now, remember, no strategy is 100% accurate. Always use proper risk management and combine EMA with other tools like support and resistance or volume analysis. If this video helped you understand EMA trading better, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more crypto trading strategies. Thank you for watching.